Alright, good morning. This is another video. It's a redo of a popular Windows 10 upgrade problem. I have a video of this made back in March 2020, and the quality of that video wasn't very good, and the only way I can make another video is by getting another computer with the same problem. And yesterday I received this computer. It's a Windows 7 computer that wants a Windows 10 upgrade, which should have been a straightforward process, as you download the ISO or run the setup from USB and follow the upgrade process, and you will get an error message. And the error message, now I understand why you get it. It actually relates to some sort of a licensing issue, or something related to licensing. So I don't know what it is. Now this is from one of our customers, and we don't know the history of this computer. It's a home PC. When you do the upgrade, you follow the prompts and whatnot. It does a reboot, and it comes with a message saying the update was failed. And I'll show you the actual message that comes up. Let me see. Okay, so there we go. So this is the message you will get. Installation failed in the safe_os phase, blah blah blah. I have a YouTube video on this and how to fix it. And the problem with that video, many people are complaining, sound quality not good, not very clear, whatever. Okay, let's see if we can fix this issue. Now there's a problem with this HDMI switch. One sec. Okay, I just switched back to the PC. Now I don't have enough time to repeat the problem to show you. Now, one more thing. So before I did the upgrade, I attempted the upgrade, so I'll give you some system information. So that's a Windows 7 Ultimate. Now there's no product key on this one. This says ASUS. The computer is a generic, so this tells me this Windows is either not genuine or the key has been used multiple times. And now attempting to do the upgrade second time, this is what we get. This is not nice. So there's no way we're going to go get a Windows 7 Ultimate license, but we can maybe. So this is a second problem I'm going to try and fix, is to downgrade the Windows if possible. So let's have a look online. Windows 7 downgrade tool. I remember there was a tool available, and I don't know if it's still eligible or still works. And not sure. Alright, so just have a look. Now you don't need to do this if you don't have a licensing issue, or you got the right version of Windows. Okay. Thing is, if you do have the error message, you will need to reinstall the same version of Windows that you have. So if you have Windows 7 Home, you need to reinstall Windows 7 Home. If you have Windows 7 Pro, you have to reinstall Windows 7 Pro. Same with Windows 7 Ultimate. And most people I know, Ultimate is one of the most pirated copies out there. They think Ultimate is the best. Okay, see if I can downgrade to... Right, okay, it's access denied, no problem. What we're going to do is copy. Yep, that's fine. Let's go to downloads. We need to run that as admin. Now you don't need to do this part. This is for me only, because I need to make some changes, revert this computer to Windows 7 Home Premium. Okay, now that's done, and I think I will need to probably reboot the computer once. I'll also need Windows 7 Home Premium, either on a USB or a, let me see if I've got a USB, or I might have an ISO file. Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit OEM. Yep, great, I do have. So I create a test account, SureCanDo. Let's put this USB in. So before I wouldn't get this message, now I get this message. And that's after attempting to upgrade Windows 10. And I think it went through an activation process, and of course it failed because it's a non-genuine Windows. Okay, so this is the Windows 7 64-bit home. Let me see if I can do an upgrade. So after upgrading, having a proper genuine activated Windows 7, then I should be able to activate, reinstall or upgrade to Windows 10 without a problem. That's the whole idea. Cross fingers. And if required, we do have a proper product key, hasn't been used, a new one if required. What did it say? No problem. Okay, so again, to those people who think, you know, Windows 7 can't be downgraded, maybe they're right. I never tried. This is actually my first time. Let's see what happens. Okay. So we're downgrading from Windows 7 Ultimate to Windows 7 Home Premium. And I wonder why I would have done that. There's 8 GB RAM. Why would you need Ultimate on this? I have no idea. Doesn't make sense. So far I've only used Windows 7 Home Premium and Professional, never Ultimate. So we'll let this run. I'll stop talking, and if there's an error message, I'll come back to the video. Okay, so the upgrade, I think it's finished. Now it's asking for a product key. This is different than the one where it detects you may have a activation problem or the product key has been used too many times. So I'll put the product key and I'll be back. Okay, it liked the product key that I put in. So there's a good chance this Windows will be activated, and we should now be able to install Windows 10 upgrade if Windows activation status shows good, and this is the Windows 10 Home, sorry, Windows Home Premium. Okay, oh, it is, as you can see on the bottom. So this is a proof that you can actually downgrade a Windows that's no problem. Okay, and have a look at the current version of Windows. Okay, Windows 7 Home Premium, and this one would like activation, so let's do the activation online. Now, when there's a problem with a product key, you may have reinstalled it maybe once or twice and then it doesn't want to work anymore. So just call up the Microsoft line. Let's call up Microsoft. Here we go.
Welcome to Microsoft Product Activation Center. To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and training, this call may be recorded or monitored. And information collected on this call may be accessed by Microsoft affiliates, subsidiaries, and service providers internationally. If you do not consent to having your call recorded or monitored, please hang up and visit support.microsoft.com for alternative service options. To activate Windows, press 1. To activate Office for... If you're trying to activate Windows 10, press 1. Otherwise, press 2. If you are at your computer with the activation screen open, press 1. Otherwise, press 2. Okay, now take a look at your screen. I'll ask you to tell me the installation ID. The installation ID is a long number broken into several groups. I'll ask you for one group at a time. Please enter the digits in group 1.
Here we go.
Great. Now enter the digits in group 2. I didn't get that. I need the second group of digits from the installation ID. Next, enter the digits in group 3. Okay, now enter the digits in group 4. 5. Okay, now enter group 6. Alright, next, enter the digits in group 7. Okay, now enter group 8. Alright, and finally, enter...
Okay,
Got it.
let's see.
Thanks. One moment, please, while I look that up. Now, I will read the confirmation ID.
Great.
You'll need to use your keyboard to enter it in the empty blocks you see near the bottom of your activation window. As I read each 6-digit group, I'll say which block it goes in. Now, use your mouse and position your cursor in block A. Once I've read the entire confirmation ID back, you'll have the chance to hear it again. If you're ready to get started, press 1. Block A is 4, 0, 5, 1, 3, 0. Block B is 6, 7, 4, 0, 6, 2. Block C is 4, 6, 9, 0, 6, 3. Block D is 0, 1, 2, 5, 3, 3. Block E is 8, 1, 2, 8, 9, 2. Block F is 7, 0, 5, 4, 9, 1. Block G is 5, 6, 3, 5, 4, 6. Block H is 1, 4, 0, 6, 8, 1. To repeat that final block, press 1. If you're finished, press 2. To back up, press... Block H is 1, 4, 0, 6, 8, 1. To repeat that final block, press 1. If you're finished, press 2. To back up, press 3. To start over from the very...
Okay, there we go. We got now a valid activated Windows 7 Home Premium downgraded from Windows 7 Ultimate. This is a proof that it can be done. Now, we're going to install Windows 10. Here we go. We're going to do the upgrade and hopefully we don't get that error message. Cross fingers. Okay. I think we still got plenty of free space on the hard drive to continue to do the recording. And I'll do the speed up as we do the recording. Okay, let's go. Now I don't want to do any of the updates. Thank you very much. I'll do all that later. Yeah, Windows 7 Home Premium. Now, if you don't have the activation or license issues or whatnot, or the proper Windows installation, the way you will fix this is you will do a new Windows 7 installation on top of your current one. It's an interesting method. You can watch my other video on how I do it, but it's quite similar to doing the upgrade. It's no different, and you generally don't need to put the product key again. But if it asks for it, be prepared to have it. Okay, I think I'll pause the video, let it continue as soon as the update starts. Nature is calling. Okay, let's see. That's fine. Great. That's right, installing Windows 10 and Premium. Alright, I'll pause the video. I'll see you shortly. Well, there you have it. I have successfully upgraded the machine to Windows 10 with a illegitimate copy of Windows 10 issue resolved as well. Made it genuine with a genuine product key and downgraded the Windows to the correct version. Okay, so system is back up and normal. I just had to hide some of the files. So this is just a proof that yes, you can downgrade Windows 7. And if you have a genuine Windows problem, that can be resolved. As you can see, we're running current version Windows. And have a look on the activation. Digital license, fantastic. So the product is activated. With Windows 10, you got to go in and do all the updates for drivers. It normally automatically picks it up, but just go ahead and do all the updates and the system will be fine. So yeah, thanks for watching. This has been a great video in my opinion. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.